Okay, it should be live now. Waiting outside the courthouse in Santa Ana because the girlfriend had to take care of some business, and I'm 100% fucking bored. So I thought I'll talk about some shit that's going on, you know, like The Flash, and how people are kind of freaking out. It's a solid way to start the video, right? To a fucking car alarm. That's not annoying at all. A fucking car alarm going off right when he's about to talk about The Flash. I guess that's the sound that DC fans hear when there's new DC movie news and they think every movie is gonna be canceled or it's fucking destroyed or it's over. And you know, the new news coming out yesterday that the Flash movie is getting rewrites, and that we're probably not gonna get the Flash movie to 2019. Oh my god. Terrible fucking timing, bro. Gotta be kidding me. Worst video I've ever done. It's that fucking car. My boy, come on. It's like they do it on purpose. Anyways, hopefully that's over. People need to stop freaking out about DC films. I think we're gonna get 2 movies a year. This was a fail. This is one big fucking fail. I give up. I'm gonna leave this video up though. You can blame that car right over there for this video being absolute horseshit. But I tried, and I failed, and now I'll wait probably an hour for my girlfriend to come back. Anyways, the Flash is not in trouble. The Batman's gonna happen. Justice League is in a mess. Wonder Woman is in a mess. We're gonna get our DC movies. Stop freaking out. Carmelo Anthony is not gonna get traded. Get over it. Knicks fans, Lakers are terrible. Fire Mitch Kupchak, and that's all I gotta say because you can't hear me over that stupid fucking alarm. Peace.